Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Major lipids are the cell membranes. So this includes the phospholipids, sphingolipids, cholesterol. So let's look at the phospholipids. Under phospholipids, there is a phosphatidylcholine, and that includes lecithin, then the phosphatidylserine. Then comes the phosphatidylethanolamine. So ethanolamine, this is nothing but the cephalin, and the phosphatidylcholine is nothing but the lecithin. Then comes the sphingolipids. So sphingolipids, it is by the sphingomyelin. Then comes the cholesterol. Now let's look at it in prokaryotes. In case of the prokaryotes, the membranes are relatively simple and are composed of the phospholipids. So they include the phospholipids as simple, they include the phospholipids as well as the phosphatidylcholine. Then comes in eukaryotes. In case of eukaryotes, the cell membranes, it contains various glycolipids. So when you look at eukaryotes, it contains various glycolipids, sphingomyelin and the cholesterol, GSC. Now lipids are amphipathic. It is amphipathic molecules. Amphipathic molecules, and it forms a lipid bilayer. The carbohydrates are present as the glycolipid and the glycoprotein. So carbohydrates, they are present as a glycolipid and the glycoprotein. The entire outer surface of the cell has a loose carbohydrate coat known as a glycocalyx. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.